Ballet for All. Today I bring you a video from my series How to Turn and Pirouettes, and it's the most important tip and exercises that you could ever learn if you are seeking for a great pirouette. How to spotting. So, spotting is that action that we dancers need to gain and do when we turn. So, how we learn to find that spot, find something right in front of you that is going to be static and is not going to move. It could be a small dot. I would recommend to be a person in the audience, to be your teacher if it's not moving, or find a frame on the wall, something that you can just stay still and find with your eyes. That's it, that's spotting. Now, how do we find the spot? Let's go to our first tip and first exercise. Thank you for first exercise to improve that spotting is hands on the waist, parallel position, demi-plie. And we are going to do baby steps. And we are going to start rotating around. Now, the main tip that I will give you is keep your eyes on the spot and chin up. And I want you to whip your head really fast when it's recommended. Now, when it's recommended to whip your head? I love saying to my students, when we do this exercise, my head is the last one on leaving the spot, but the first one to arrive. It's very important to have a rhythm and to have a consistent time or tempo, okay? So, I'm going to recommend you to do this 8 times each side and just stay long neck, maintain that upper body position like lifted and elongated. Now that we know how to find the spot on position without moving around, we can then add a little bit of transfer of weight around the classroom. How we're going to do, I love to do it sideways, same, hands on the waist, parallel position, and we are going to still do baby steps, but we are not going to do it demi-plie. And my head is going to face you again, my spot, and we are going to move and transfer weight sideways to the spot. So this is what we're going to do. And you're going to do that as long as you have a space to do it. It's up to you, and I would recommend to do it obviously both sides. Okay? Third tip and last exercise. It's more challenging, and I would recommend to do it once we master number 1 and number 2. We are going to go ourselves, to position ourselves and the diagonal. We are going to do 2 steps walking forward and 1 turn. So we go 1, 2, and 3, back. And we repeat again as many times as we want to. Remember, it's always up to you. Also the space that you have. Why the diagonal? Because it's a good way to start positioning yourself on the classroom and using all of the spots and points that we have. If you just focus all the time in front of you, once you have a choreography that asks you to move diagonal, you will be maybe a little bit disorientated. So it's another way to work that. Once again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And that's it for today. This is my video for how to spot. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. If you did so, remember to give thumbs up. And if you have anything else you want me to talk about in my next videos, leave me some comments below. If you are new, remember to subscribe, click the little bell right beside the subscription button, and then you can get the direct notification when I upload my next video. Thank you very much for joining me. See you next time.